Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best metal lathes review powered by the CR Review. This mini lathe provides a 7-inch swing and a 14-inch space between centers. The lathe turns metal up to 84 cubic inches in size. The variable speed motor is adjustable from 50 to 2,500 RPM in either rotational direction. This makes left-hand threading an option. Easy to read digital readout when adjusting the RPMs. The thread indicator helps users turn screw threads from 12 to 52 pi with either metric or imperial pitches. Easy to read digital readout when adjusting the RPMs. Powered by a 3/4 HP motor, this lathe also features variable speed 02500 RPM, inch and metric reading dials, turret tool post, chip tray and splash guard. Features variable speed 16 pi reversible lead screw forward and reverse in all speeds, chip tray and back splash guard, threading dial indicators, standard and metric graduation mat in an ISO 9001 factory specifications, swing over bed, 7 distance between centers, 12 bore size of included chuck, 16 mm spindle bore. Spindle bore, 15/8 inch, D15 camlock mount includes 6-inch 3-jaw chuck with 2 sets of jaws, 8-inch 4-jaw chuck with reversible jaws, 10-inch face up plate, set of 6 change gears, 1/2-inch chuck with MT3 arbor halogen work light, coolant system, ball bearing steady and follow rests, quick change tool post included cast iron stand with extended base, cast aluminum gear cover, ground gears and high precision bearings, hardened and brown V-ways.